let's make dinner with some plants I found on the ground. It's spring, finally. We survived the winter, somehow, and that means a whole lot of plants are waking up. Some of those plants are invasive, and we're using one of them as the base of our dinner tonight. Let me introduce you to them because they're probably growing in your neck of the woods because they kind of grow everywhere. Why is that? Because when Western Europeans were kind of taking over the rest of the world in like the 1600s and the 1700s, they brought this plant with them because they thought it was real pretty, but then it kind of escaped containment and now it grows everywhere, like in the middle of these woods where it shouldn't be. Oopsies. Meet Dame's Rocket, Hesperus matrinalis. She's also sometimes called Mother of the Evening. And I'm sorry, but that name is mothering. That name is amazing. She is a brassica and one of 2 hyper-invasive brassicas growing in this area around this time of year. The other one being literally right here, garlic mustard. If you live outside of Dame's Rocket's original Eurasian range, you don't have to feel bad about picking it all because she makes thousands of seeds a season from those beautiful, delicious, sweet-smelling flowers, and that's crazy. Time to get a really flattering angle of me pulling this out of the ground. Yeah. So oh god, dirt. Here's one hefty bunch of greens down. I'm sure that we can find another one this size or big. Abundant. Some are even starting to send out their flower shoots, and this guy is a really good dupe for broccolini to taste even a little bit better, in my opinion. I didn't bring a bag, so walking out of here is gonna be gently embarrassing. To save you the secondhand embarrassment, I'm just gonna go ahead and yeet myself home. We're home, and I'm outside because I'm going to take off all the good leaves and put them into this bag to bring inside, and then I'm going to dispose of the roots. Greens, 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 greens. Take these guys inside and get them cleaned and washed. We're gonna blanch our clean greens in some slightly salty water. I am a filthy vegan, so I'm also gonna start melting some vegan butter. But use whatever butter you got in your fridge. Now I have my faux butter a-simmering with some nodding onion I collected from my front yard, and now we're gonna make that into a flavorful roux by adding in some flour. Add enough flour that it becomes a nice thick paste. We're gonna add in some soy milk, then we're gonna add in some, but not all, of our blanched Dame's Rocket greens. I also added in a splash of our homemade dandelion wine, but you could just use a splash of apple cider vinegar. I used the remaining blanched greens and blended them up with some spices and cornmeal to make this green corn cake dough. Ooh. I know it's not the most aesthetically pleasing dinner. I garnished it with some forsythia flowers, also edible. Let's try a little bite of both. Bon appetit. I will be making this again. It's like better spinach. On the crisp on the edge of those cakes. Thank you for hanging out while I made dinner. Let me know if you go out and try some Dame's Rocket. And happy snacking. Don't die!